people. Hello, my people. Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on where you're watching us from. We are back again to our Igbo channel. We are back again. During our presentation last month over pandemic, when we asked God for His mercy, forgiveness, and help us also during the pandemic, people were so impressed. People really liked our video, speaking Igbo, reading Igbo Bible. They were so impressed. So we received lots of calls, messages. They really encourage us. They encourage us over the video if we can continue to help other children to learn Igbo and to speak Igbo. I'm not a teacher, but I can help. We can help, actually. We can help your children. But we need your support, parents. We need your support. Mom, dad, children, everyone needs to support this video, this program, so we can achieve it. If my children can speak Igbo, yours can speak as well. Let's do it together. Let's speak Igbo. Let's achieve it.
So guys, as my mom said, don't feel ashamed that because you can't speak this language, it's normal, it's fine, it's okay. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a video. And yeah.
Also, again, call the bell. Call so that whenever you're online, you can watch us. So, tell Igbo people your name, where you were born, and where you live now. She says her name. She said her name is Nnenna. She was born in Italy, but now she lives in England. Please, can you greet our Igbo people? Tell them your name and where you're born. His name is Chedozie Onyego. He was born in Italy but now lives in England. Please, can you greet our people? Tell them your name, where you're born, and where you live now. Yeah.
Alright.
AKA CEO, Chief Executive,
Philanthropist and anthropologist.
Wow.
Solicitor.
Hey!
Property developer and property manager.
Chile!
Odogu. Kembo.
Adikibia Nkembo na Lorezuka, Protonka na Lorezuka. Lemon.
I'm on Italy. My neighbor in England. You want Igbo?
Can you swipe? Let's see you on our next video. Stay tuned, stay well, and stay safe. Continue Mboza. Bye bye.
Bye. Okay, good dog. Oh.